So, I'm only going to be doing vlogs on school days, maybe on the weekends. I don't know, because I've actually, you guys didn't leave a lot of comments like I told you to. There's one subscriber on each video. I'm not proud of that. If you guys don't do that, then I'm gonna stop making videos. All of you have been doing has been leaving likes, no comments, one subscriber at a time. Anyway, my iPad just died. I was just watching Vines. It died in the best part. Oh god, I forgot that it died. I'm going to school right now. It's 7. I'm watching Nicky, Ricky, Dicky, and Dawn. That's like my favorite show. Anyway, I have to leave at 7:07.
A girl likes you. What's that like? Thanks.
So,
Is the circle of trust repaired? All 4 corners. Good enough. Now, let's bring this home.
yeah. Oh, let's move. Yeah. I'm actually gonna get ready for school. Gonna go living on. Keep vlogging. Oh. Got a little bit of candy. My mom said I would take my phone every day to school now. This is why I do school vlogs, because I like my phone to school. It's 7 o'clock. I don't know if you can see that, but it's blurry. I'm on the couch right now, and I don't feel like getting up. It looks like it's 7:01, because it is. We have a Mishy Bishy electric TV. My dad likes cricket. I don't. It's kind of sport. Danger. Henry Danger is my fave. Anyway,